Hey guys, how you doing? We have a 1977 Chrysler with a 440 Sportsman Cruise Air. It's an overcab restore. Very common on these. Last owner busted the skylight, the dome, and they put just a piece of plastic over it, and it just collected water throughout the maybe a year, 2 years, and had some water damage. Unfortunately, the interior is not that bad. It was the exterior. The water ran down the walls, saturated the bottom and the front plate here. So we took it all apart, and I'll have some pictures and stuff I will upload eventually. You guys gonna have to hit that subscribe button to follow through the rebuild here. This is the front plate, as you see how rotted it is. So I'm gonna replace the front plate, which is this piece here underneath the windowsill, and the bottom board right here. So as I go, check it out, watch the videos, and I'll keep your updated progress as soon as I can. Have a good day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.